Happy Independence Day for all my friends and teachers. As we know that today, 15th August 2021, we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. The India's freedom struggle started from 1857 till 1947, which cannot be described in one day. Now, I am here to say the few dates of India's freedom struggle from 1857 till 1947. May 10, 1857, Indian Rebellion or First War of Independence. It was started from 10th May 1857 till 8th July 1859 against British East India Company, which functioned as the power on behalf of the British Crown. The rebellion was started from sepoys of Bengal who revolted against the British officers, which led to the First War of Independence. But unfortunately, it was unsuccessful. December 28th, 1885, the formation of Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was established when 72 delegates from all over the country met Bombay in 1885. Prominent delegates included Dadabhai Naoroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Badruddin, W.C. Banerjee, S. Ramaswamy, S. Subramanya Iyer, etc. A former British officer and civil servant, A.O. Hume, was the founder of Indian National Congress (INC). The National Congress was considered to be the largest and most prominent Indian public organization. This was made by the influence of the Indian independence movement. October 16, year 1905. Partition of Bengal. The Partition of Bengal was a territorial reorganization of Bengal Presidency implemented by authorities of the British Raj. This reorganization separated the largely Muslim eastern areas from the largely Hindu western areas, announced by Lord Curzon in 1905. But the partition took place on 16th October 1905 by the decision of Viceroy of India. January 9th, 1915. The advent of Mahatma Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhiji, father of our nation. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji. He reached Bombay sailing from South Africa in January 9, 1950. But this date was chosen in 2003 to be observed as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. When Mahatma Gandhiji returned from South Africa, where he led Indians in a non-violent movement against racial discrimination. He emerged as an international leader and is respected all over the world. December 29, 1916, Lucknow Pact. An agreement made by the Indian National Congress headed by Maratha leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak and the All Indian Muslim League led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It was adopted by the Congress at its Lucknow session on December 29 and by the League on December 31, 1916. The meeting at Lucknow marked the reunion of the moderate and racial wings of Congress. The pact dealt both with the structure of the government of India, with the relation of Hindu and Muslim communities. March 18th, 1919, Rowlatt Satyagraha. In 1919, Gandhiji gave a call for a satyagraha against Rowlatt Act passed by the British. The act restricted the freedom of expression and strengthened police powers. Mahatma Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and others strongly opposed this Rowlatt Act. September 28th. Operation Movement was started by Gandhiji in January 1920 for removing British after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It aimed to resist British rule in India through non-violent March 12th, 1930, Dandi March. It is the most iconic act of non-violent civil disobedience. Gandhiji, along with a huge crowd, walked from Sabarmati Ashrama to Dandi Beach as means of non-violent protest against the repressive salt tax imposed by the British government. August 8th, 1942, Quit India Movement. The Bombay session of All India Congress Committee got this movement rolling on 8th August 1942 during World War II. The mission was as clear as water: an end to the British rule of India. In addition, Gandhi made a call to do or die in his Quit India speech that he delivered in Bombay. Indian Independence Act of 1947. The Indian Independence Act was an act of Parliament of the United Kingdom. The act partitioned British India into two new independent dominions, India and Pakistan. It received the assent of royal family on 18 July 1947. In effect, India came into existence on August 15, and Pakistan 14th August in the year 1947. From these incidents and struggles of India and freedom fighters, we got independence finally on 15th August 1947, and we celebrate Independence Day. Finally, I want to tell that अनेकता में एकता ये हमारी शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है. Once again, I am wishing you a happy Independence Day.